That's an easy one. Transportation is a big issue for everybody across the state.
Yeah, the issue I'd like to hear most from the governor is a focus on efficiencies, both digital and how we organize state government. If I had a wish list, I mean, it would be something that we continue the conversation about puppy mills and how we address that issue.
Well, overall, I think that all North Carolinians hope that we hear about job creation from Governor McCrory. I think a really integral part of that is going to be how are we looking at providing employment protections for LGBT North Carolinians.
I'd like to hear Governor McCrory talk about jobs, specifically the jobs we're losing on the film industry with the loss of the film tax credit.
Well, our concern is the driver ed program not being fully funded, and we want to make sure it is funded through some kind of mechanism.
We want to see the governor lay out the policies that we've done over the last 4 years as General Assembly and 2 years as a governor, and focus on the improvements those have made on the state. Second, we want him to lay out his vision for North Carolina and how we continue along that path.
I would love to hear the governor start to talk about government surveillance and how it really needs to be reined in and people's privacy needs to be protected in this state.
Yes, driver's ed. I'm hoping that we can have the funding for driver's ed for all students.
The issue that Governor McCrory needs to discuss in the State of the State speech is Medicaid expansion.
I know the governor's well tuned in and well dialed in, but I'd specifically like to hear about stabilizing the funding for transportation needs in North Carolina.
I'm hoping that the governor will talk tomorrow about what his vision is to ensure that more North Carolinians have access to the health care that they need.
Family economic security.
I'd like to see the governor address job creation for North Carolinians, the 42,000 that we've lost from the workforce in the past year.
I hope we're hearing some details on how he plans to help rural North Carolina in terms of economic development and transportation issues.
Medical marijuana.